Would you believe that just 4 sentences and a minute a day helped me manifest my first paid internship before I even knew what manifestations was? It was 2022. I had a massive fallout with my dad. I left home and I was desperate for a paycheck. Looking back, I realized I was accidentally using high level manifestation technique and it worked. That, my friends, is affirmations. Look, what is affirmation really? The word itself gives away. Affirm, assure. So, affirmations are positive sentences that you read or repeat in order to assure yourself of the reality you desire. That's it. That's simple. What? Were you expecting me to give a 20-minute long lecture? What am I? Your textbook? We are not here to get a degree, duh. Why is it easy? Why is it the beginner friendly method? Low efforts, literally least efforts. You don't need a full moon ritual. You don't need to journal for hours until your hand cramps. And you don't have to wait for stars to align or dates to match. All you need is just your voice. If you're lazier, just your thoughts. Next, affirmations are versatile. They're not only helping you manifest what you want, but also rewire your belief, your self concept. You have negative thoughts or doubts, which is, by the way, very common for beginners, so it's okay. Affirmations will help you there. You have problems believing you deserve this? Affirmations, literally, for anything and everything. Okay, Arpi, get to the explanation part already, please. We already know affirmations are positive, repetitive sentences. So, more the affirmations, more the repetition. More the repetition, the easier and faster it is for your brain to rewire your system thanks to neuroplasticity. Like if you constantly tell yourself you are unlucky, undeserving, unworthy, you will believe it. I mean, if you could believe you're good for nothing, ex situationship will fall in love with you, you can believe in yourself, in manifestations, and in affirmations, right? Now, let's see how you can use affirmations to manifest. Don't worry, it's not going to be just steps, but also with examples and how to apply it in day to day life. If you have seen my other manifestation videos, you already know the golden rules. You can definitely skip. And for my first time viewers, one, be specific. There is no space in your life for fake people and vagueness. Get as specific as you want with what you want. Don't just say vaguely, I have a job. Get specific. What job do you have? Where do you work? How much do you get paid? How do you feel? Everything specifically. Okay? Second, use present tense. You are going to get as specific as possible and use present tense. Literally, like it's happening right in front of you. Like you're literally having that job. You're literally at the job. You're going to talk as if you're already living in the moment. Okay? Already living in the moment. So you're going to use present tense. And while you're doing that, you are going to feel those emotions. We have already spoken about it. You're not a robot. You are a human who has emotions. And you are going to use those emotions for good once. But Arpi, most people don't really see results with affirmations. Yeah, because you all are stuck at one liners, the ones that you randomly find on social media. No shade to that, they work too. But the problem is, you are not feeling it. You are not using the one that are specific for you. You're not using present tense that will make you feel that it's happening right now. Remember, your brain doesn't know the difference between fake and real. That is why you think that guy is in love with you. He's just faking it. Most of you all stop at one liners, and that is why you get bored. Use paragraphs and stories. I know you haven't really heard about using affirmations in paragraphs or stories, but trust me, this works. So, how are you going to do it? You are going to create a story around what you want and you are going to read it few times a day. So, now instead of just repeating few lines like a robot, you are going to feel the story. Apparently, stories are going to have a better emotional effect on your brain than just one liners, right? Now, you're using all the three rules. But Arpi, it's so exhausting to, read the whole story throughout the day. How am I not amazed? How did I see it coming? I have come prepared, my lazy princess. I knew you would say something like this. What you're going to do, you are going to record yourself reading this story and listen to it couple of times throughout the day. I cannot make it easier than this. This is not spoon feeding. This is literally putting food in your throat. Do we have any other reasons? Thank you. I agree. Golden rules are mentioned in most of the videos I talk about manifestation because they are foundation. We can't do anything about it. They are like foundation of any manifestation. Most of the manifestation methods. Okay, but while other methods are specific events, affirmations are literally active rewiring. You're not just doing a ritual once in a while, you're literally rewiring your brain, rewiring your system every time you're telling an affirmation with emotions. With emotions is the key here. If you're not telling it with emotions, you're not doing any of the magic that affirmation does. Only when you're specific, using in present tense, and feeling the emotions, you're doing this active rewiring of your brain. Okay, can you make affirmations about literally anything? Yeah, literally anything. And I can teach you how. Why worry? Why fear when I am here? Oh my god, that was so cringe. Please. One, state the problem. Two, get as detailed as possible about the problem. What makes a problem a problem? What are the things that are problem? Three, flip the script. I know you did not get it. So let's do it with an example. State the problem. I actually want to learn swimming. I've been wanting to learn swimming for a very long time now. Get detailed about the problem. I am scared. I'm actually very scared to start swimming classes. What if I'm inconsistent? What if I don't enjoy it? What else? What if it is not safe for me? Three, flip the script. I am consistent with my swimming classes. I am actually enjoying my swimming classes. I enjoy it so much so I look forward for it every day. The staff, the fellow learners, the coach, everybody is so kind, so supportive, so encouraging. I am so happy being there. I am so happy being a part of it. I love it. I am so grateful I get to learn this. See, I flipped the script, I made it specific, I got detailed about the problem. I also made every problematic sentence into a solution sentence with positiveness in it so I can use it as an affirmation. Did I use all the rules? Yes. Did I use it for a very mundane thing? Okay. Let's also try it with our most asked question, which could be a little triggering for few of you. So please be careful. Is that self doubt, negative self talk, all of this? I am unlucky. I am unworthy. I'm not deserving. Why do you feel that you're unlucky? What makes a problem a problem? Because I'm overweight, because of my color, because of my physique, because I never really got to experience it. Flip the script. I am lucky. I am worthy. I am lucky and worthy and deserving of love, of money, of everything I desire. I am lucky because I'm alive. I am lucky and worthy and deserving because the Creator herself created me. The Creator herself chose to create me. So I'm lucky. So I'm worthy. I deserve all of this and more. And apart from manifestation and affirmation, just think about it. Out of all the sperms you were born, you survived. Why would you if you're not worthy of living? I mean, the creator, the divine creator herself took out her precious time and energy to create another divine being like you. Where is even the question of unworthiness, unlucky, not deserving arising? If not a being so kind, sexy, divine, hot, beautiful, inside and out, like yourself is deserving of all of this, who else? Nobody. You, my love, you are deserving. Okay? But Arpi, I don't really have time for all of this. Really? Really, you don't have time? Okay, maybe do it while you're brushing. Do it while you're pooping, while you're walking back home, or maybe, just maybe, you can reduce the time you spend doom scrolling and use a minute out of it to listen or read the affirmations. We can do that, right? Thank you. And remember, it is absolutely fine to feel, oh my God, is this going to work? Oh my God, did I do the affirmations right? Is it really going to work? All of those doubts are valid and are very common when you are a beginner. It's okay. One thing that's going to help you is start small. Could be a good conversation, a seat in metro, something very small like a random stranger smiling at you or somebody complimenting your smile, your dress. Start small. Bengaluru wasn't built in a day. Relax your perfectionist mind. You don't have to be good at everything you just touched. It takes time, effort, and patience. And let it. Calm the down. Your life is good. You are good. We are in this together. You and I are going to make sure it gets better and better. So, how are we going to do it? Start small and it shall get better. Okay? Oh, if you were wondering what were those four sentences, even, oh my god, I'm so glad I finally got the paid internship which pays me 8,000 rupees a month. Now I can live happily and take care of my daily essentials. Plus, the best thing is it is so close to my hostel. Thank you so much, God. Thank you so much for making this happen, for always having my back. I love you. This was the four sentences. I mean, 8,000 rupees was a lot back in 2022. Okay, relax. For a hostler, look, there is no particular textbook way of using affirmations or manifestations in general. It's neither your problem nor your partial teacher who will give you marks only if you went to her tuition. So use it however you want it, whatever way makes you believe more and makes you feel like you're already living in the moment. It could be one liners, paragraphs, stories, whatever. But the key here is repetition and emotions. Okay? I agree, long stories are a little tasky, but if you could send your loser ex long paragraphs after every fight once a week, I think you can do this. Come on, babe, you got this. Go, Kylie, go. You got this. Okay? So, this is a well, do you care? I don't think so, but I do. So drop a little about yourself and where are you from, maybe. See you in your new reality very, very, very soon. I love you.